You just gotta come to the open house. Open Sunday, February 11th from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. at 11116 Church Street, and this home is a beauty. It's in the Village of Huntley. The Village is the hippest, coolest place to live. There's sidewalk cafes, pubs, a park, and a farmer's market. And this home is just 1 block from Main Street. It's the small town America dream location. There's a big private yard, and you know you want a dog. There's a first floor laundry, 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths. All new floors and just painted throughout. And it's priced at only $172,900. Yep, that's right. I said $172,900. And you may qualify for down payment assistance. Now, this is not a short sale, so quick close is possible. Come out and see it Sunday. You know you want to. Get a gelato on Main Street when you come by. The open house is hosted by Tony Delisi at RE/MAX, 847-471-7177.